Welcome back, little professors. Are you ready for another fun adventure? Today, we're going to the savannah. Let's discover the amazing sounds of some wild animals. Are you excited? Let's go. Look who's roaring. It's a big, strong lion. Can you make the lion sound? Let's try together. Roar! This giant is making a loud noise. It's an elephant. Can you imitate the elephant? Let's try together. Look at this playful monkey. It's making funny sounds. Can you mimic the monkey? Let's try together. That was fun, wasn't it? We learned the sounds of a lion, an elephant, and a monkey. Can you remember them? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more animal adventures. We have lots of fun learning videos waiting for you. See you next time, little professors.